everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ritika. Today I am going to tell you two simple methods to remove the background of your pictures. So yeah, let's get started. The first method is open the PicsArt app and select the photo which you require to change the background. See, now I am selecting one photo. Clear out the pop-outs. Now at bottom click the fit and then you could select your size of the picture, what you want it to be, and you could see the different background colors at the bottom. So now here I'm choosing pink. After that there is an apply at the right of the mobile. Click that apply and then you could see the eraser. Through that eraser you could clear the background of your picture. Now I am clearing the background of my picture. Suppose if you have cleared your face or what your image, then you have an option called restore. By clicking on that restore, you could restore the erased part. And one thing you need to remember is this PicsArt is free of cost. If you want some extreme edits means at that time, then you could go for premium or PicsArt Gold, but I don't recommend for that. It's a basic level to remove the background. So with completely freely you could edit your background. Okay, now one thing is, in the picture, each and every part, while doing this thing, each and every minute thing is also very important. If not, your picture will not look perfect. So whatever it is, even at part of the hair also, it should be very perfect. And now I'm doing it very fast, but every single, you could see that now every single gap should be covered with the background color. Then only it will be like completely filled picture, completely changed background picture. And there you could see the size option, right? Through that size you could adjust your eraser size. Suppose if you are rubbing there, it is erasing a lot, it is restoring a lot. So here you could adjust the size of your eraser and you could adjust the size of your restorer, so that it will be very easy for you to get a good background. I mean, you could clear out the background. Okay, so by using this method only, most of my thumbnails I am doing using this PicsArt. Okay, and here you could see different colors. After erasing of that also, you could change your color of the background. And not only this plain solid background, you could also go for other different backgrounds. There you could see one button at the bottom, background. Click on that. Here you could see different themes. If at all you like any theme, you could keep that, but now I'm keeping it plain. After that you could see apply at the top right corner. Click on that apply. I'm keeping a solid background, and then you could see the download option. You could download it directly here. It will be saved to the camera roll. Please clean out the pop-outs, and then you could see the download photo. Click on that and it will be saved to your camera roll. And the second method is remove.bg website. So type the website name properly. It's remove.bg. By clicking on that website, you could see an upload option. Click on that upload and choose a image which you want to remove the background of it. So I'm choosing a picture from my gallery, and then here it will automatically remove the background of your picture. And if any corrections are there, you could click on that edit option. Only a minute part of it correction I have to do. So similar to that of PicsArt app, erase and restore options are there. With that you could remove the background. But one difference for PicsArt and this website is, in PicsArt every minute part you have to edit by your own, but in this remove.bg website you need not do anything. You just need to upload an image and wait for few seconds. It will automatically remove your background picture. Yeah, that's the difference. So it is very fast when compared to PicsArt. If you don't have any time and if you want to edit some picture with no background, then it's the best option to use this website. It's free of cost. And then now I'm erasing a small part of it, because there is I'm showing you how the restore and erase options are working here in this remove.bg. Yeah, this website is overall useful to remove the
background. And in this there is not only these plain background, you could see there blur is there, and you could see a solid color, and you have different themes also. See, now I'm changing the themes of the picture. So whatever theme you want, you could select from the default themes. They have certain default themes, you could only use those themes. And there is also solid colors. So as of now I am choosing some solid colors because that suits my picture. Please don't use the themes which will not suit your picture. So I'm choosing a solid color which suits my picture. Yeah, there you could see a download option, so you could download your pictures. Now I'm going to my camera roll to show different backgrounds which I have already downloaded. See, this is an original image. I have changed the theme of my picture. Yeah, finally this app is useful. And this is my Instagram page. I have done some aesthetic edits which I have posted previously. So to check out the latest updates, follow me on the Instagram, and the link is in the description below. And I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.